Sanjay. And here goes the first ball, and that's a good straight drive, and it's started with a boundary. That's a great. Check. Rohit Das on strike. Sahil to bowl the third ball. He comes down the track again. He plays well, fielded by the fielder himself, and yet a single run been scored. The score has moved to 6 runs after 3 balls. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. And it again a boundary scored on this over. That was a very stylish shot. मुंबई में दिखता है मरीन ड्राइव और इस ग्राउंड में दिख रहा है संजय का ड्राइव. After 4 balls, the score has moved to 10 runs. Sahil to Sanjay. He tries a reverse sweep but misses. But there is a dot ball. No run being scored in this ball. That was a very mind game by the bowler. He saw the batsman sweeping the ball, reverse sweeping the ball, and he nicely made a dot ball after giving 10 runs. After 5 balls, Sahil to bowl the last ball of his over to Sanjay. Sanjay on strike, facing Sahil. Again he comes down the track, and the same shot being repeated once again, and it's a vanishing bounce. Zahar has scored 14 runs for his team. There's a slight himself. Rudra will take the charge. The second over to be bowled by Rudra to Rohit Das. Rudra to Rohit Das. That was a nice juicy full toss but couldn't convert it. Just a leg by. Sanjay to face Rudra for the first time in this over. He has scored 2 boundaries. Now he again tries a shot, and it's a no ball given by the umpire, and well fielded. No +1. The score has moved to 17 runs. Rohit Das on strike, facing Rudra. He is bowling very nicely, but there was a no ball. Now let's see what happens, and he comes under attack, and there is a stump out. kept by the keeper. New batsman for JDN is Rishikesh. Rudra to Rishikesh. Again a good ball. There is a chance of a run now. That is a puzzle, but no. There is yes, no between the wickets.
मंग्या स्टेज जवळ यायचं.
Rishikesh on strike. Matches will be played in 45 minutes duration. Both innings to be concluded in 45 minutes. So please take note. He comes down the track, batsman Rishikesh, and that's a well-placed boundary between the gap. That's a good shot by Rishikesh. He nicely placed by the batsman. After 3 balls, the score has moved to 22 runs. Rudra to bowl to Rishikesh. Again he comes down the track. That's a full toss and well fielded. Nicely kept inside. Just a run, single run been scored. That was brilliantly bowled by the captain Rudra. He saw the batsman coming down the track. He puts a juicy full toss above the west. Again Sanjay comes down the track, same shot being attempted but well fielded by the bowler himself. Our single run being scored. The score has moved to 24 runs after 5 balls, 1 over 5 balls. This matches are being live telecast through KK Sports and ZA Champions League. You can watch that's a good shot again, that's a well placed batsman. Well played, nicely played for a 4-run being scored. There is an appeal for that was a good ball and great bowling by Budush. Well deserved. That was a great ball by Bodish. Aniket 11 need more wickets to their bowlers like this. Ajay on strike, coming down the track. That's a good boundary. He scored. A very cracking shot for a boundary. The score has moved to 33 runs. Again he comes down the track and well bowled by Bodish. Ullas. Ullas.
आगे उन लोग को इंटर बीच में से कराएगा, बीच में से करा उन लोग को इंटर. हाँ हाँ तो साइड से ले लो, मैं करता हूँ.
Bodish to bowl to Rushikesh comes down the track again. That's he's gone. It's a single box tournament. Rahul on strike, facing Bodish. He comes down the track, and that's again a box out. Back-to-back wickets. The bowler is on fire. I said in the beginning, this ground will set fire today. He's on hat-trick. There's a first hat-trick chance for Bodish. The very first hat-trick. There is an announcement. Hat-trick ball, 1,000 rupees. There was a chance on hat-trick, 1,000 rupees to score. Unfortunately, that was a brilliant ball, but the keeper couldn't take the ball. That's a good shot, and there is a chance of a boundary, well fielded by the fielder at the backside. The score has moved to 35 runs after 3 overs. That was a brilliant bowling by Baudish. Much needed for Aniket Levin. He has brought his team back in the game.
Check.
2 minutes to hold the game.
Umpire, stop the game for 2 minutes. आपल्या या कार्यक्रमाचे प्रमुख पाहुणे सहार पोलीस स्टेशनचे वरिष्ठ पोलीस निरीक्षक, एक क्रिकेट प्रेमी श्री मनोज चाळके यांचे इथे आगमन झालेलं आहे. मी सर्व क्रिकेट प्रेमी संघ यांना विनंती करतो की उभं राहून त्यांचं टाळा वाजवून जोरदार स्वागत करायचंय. आयोजकांच्या वतीने मी विनंती करतो श्री मनोज चाळके, सहार पोलीस स्टेशन वरिष्ठ पोलीस निरीक्षक, त्यांच्याबरोबर आपणा सर्वांसाठी सहार पोलीस स्टेशनची टीम या मैदानावर क्रिकेटची मॅच, सहार पोलीस स्टेशनची टीम वर्सेस सीपी लेजेंड्स यांच्या दरम्यान क्रिकेटचा सामना होणार आहे. जोरदार टाळ्यांच्या गजरात स्वागत करायचं. वरिष्ठ पोलीस निरीक्षकांचं स्वागत व सत्कार करायचा आहे.
मी इथे इन्व्हाइट केलं, खेळण्याचा एक चान्स पण देत आहे, त्यासाठी मी तुमचा खूप खूप आभारी आहे. आणि हा असा एकंदर ॲटमॉस्फिअर पाहून खूप बरं वाटलं, कारण आत्ताच्या काळामध्ये मोबाईलमध्ये माणसं खूप गुंतलेली आहेत, ती सोडून मैदानामध्ये आलेत आणि तुम्ही त्यांना मैदानामध्ये खेळण्यासाठी प्रोत्साहित करताय. अशा प्रकारचे मॅचेस अरेंज करून खूप चांगली गोष्ट आहे की सर्व यंग जनरेशन मैदानामध्ये आहे अदर दॅन मोबाईलमध्ये आहे. तर ह्या अशा स्पर्धा ह्या पुढेही भरल्या जाव्यात वेगवेगळ्या स्तरावरती, जिथे आपलं लोकल टॅलेंट याच्यातून बाहेर येईल आणि मैदानी खेळापासून आपलं यंग जनरेशन हे नेहमी अटॅच राहील. पुन्हा एकदा सहार चॅम्पियन्स लीगला सहार पोलीस ठाणे आणि माझ्या वैयक्तिक आमच्या संघाकडून सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
खूप खूप धन्यवाद सर. आपलं मोलाचं मार्गदर्शन व सहकार्य लाभत राहील आणि आम्ही असेच मैदानी खेळ किंवा उत्तरोत्तर सगळ्या गोष्टी करत राहू ही आपल्याकडे अपेक्षा करतो. धन्यवाद सर. यानंतर मी समस्त आमचे PI गावडे साहेब, PI उदय सोयीस्कर साहेब, API सावंत साहेब, PSI शिंदे साहेब, आमचे ठोंबरे कमांडर, बाबड कमांडर, गवारे कमांडर यांना सगळ्यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आसनस्थ व्हायचंय. तुम्ही वेळात वेळ काढून आलात त्याबद्दल तुमच्या आयोजकांच्या वतीने धन्यवाद. चंद्रू, अंपायर प्लीज स्टार्ट द गेम.
Thank you, Ulas. That was a very nice inspiration thought from our senior inspector. Thank you, sir. Let's begin with the proceedings. That was a very well bowled by Baudish. He brought his team back into the game. And after a good moment, the next bowler for Aniket Levin is Ajinkya. Sanket on strike. The score has moved to 35 runs after 3 overs. This is the last over of the inning. He comes down the track and well fielded and nicely placed by the batsman, and a single run being scored. That was a very brilliant bowl by Ajinkya, the left armer. That's a no ball given by the straight umpire. The score has moved to 38 runs. He comes down the track and well bowled by the bowler. That was a single run again being scored, and well nicely bowled by Ajinkya. Oh, that's a box out again. This is the third box out of the evening. Have been dried. No boundaries being scored on this 2 overs. Ajinkya bowling brilliantly for his team. Nicely bowling. And that's again a good ball. And just a single run being scored. Vikas. The score has moved to 40 runs. That was brilliant bowling by Baudish and now by Ajinkya for his team. These 2 overs will determine the scoreboard for them. And that's again a no ball and but well kept inside the boundary line. There was another run being scored. 2 runs being scored in a no ball. The score has moved to 43 runs. Some momentum has to take place for JDN. They were scoring brilliantly when their captain was on the field. Ajinkya bowling, that's a good dot. There is a chance of a run out. There is appeal and it's not out. And it was a chance of a dot ball, but the bowler couldn't collect the ball properly. So Ajinkya was bowling brilliantly for his team. He is bowling, it's a dead ball. I request captain of NBV, Jai Beam, to please come near the commentary box. That's a good shot and that's a boundary. Well finished by Vikas for his team. The score has moved to 48 runs. 49 runs to be scored for victory. It's a compulsory chase game. So the team has to compulsorily chase the target for their 2 points. I request captain of JDN and Jolly Boys. 4 overs, JDN has scored 48 runs and Aniket 11 needs 49 runs to win this first match of the league game. The match, Sahil Sahil and Rudra at non-strikers end. Sanjay, captain himself, taking the charge from the front. Let's start the second innings. Sanjay to Sahil. This was at the opposite side in the first inning. Sahil was bowling to Sanjay. Now Sanjay to bowl to Sahil. Nicely placed and a single run being scored on the first ball. Rudra to face Sanjay. That's a good ball and a fast wicket down for Aniket 11. That was a brilliantly bowled by Sanjay. Aniket 11 goes for a duck. That's a good shot and well fielded by the fielder. That was a nice sweep attempted, but no boundary being scored. It's a dot ball. The batsman has to come down the track after the release of the ball on his action. This tournament has been live on through KK Sports and Sahar Champions League. That's a second wicket. Second wicket of the evening. That's bold. That's brilliantly bold. Another bowler on hat-trick. Chance. He tries a reverse sweep. But he couldn't connect it. Nicely bowled by Sanjay. Thus, after 4 balls, 5 balls. Okay. After 5 balls, the score has moved to 1 run. That was a brilliant bowling by Sanjay. And again, there was a chance of a bold. Oh, he misses. The stump misses. That was a brilliant bowling by Sanjay. He is leading from the front. He is charging the team from the front. After 1 over, Aniket 11 has scored just a single run. There is ample of pressure building on Aniket 11. Can they turn this game? Sahil on strike. Can he build the momentum for Aniket 11 on his own? That was a brilliant bowling by Sanjay, the captain of JDN. The next bowler for JDN is Jevesh. Jivesh to bowl, and then he comes down the track, and that's a boundary, much needed boundary by Sahil. To bowl to Sahil. Again, oh, that's a no ball given by the straight umpire. Some momentum being building for Aniket Levin. Boundary. Then the next ball is a no ball. Jivesh to bowl to Aniket. Bowls a good ball. There was and he's been bowled. Again a sweep attempted, but couldn't connect it. Another wicket fall for Aniket Levin. They are falling like a parking lot of cycles, one back to back, playing cards. The next batsman for Aniket Levin is Raj. Jivesh. After 1 over 2 balls, the score has moved to just 7 runs. Again, a no ball given by the standing umpire. Another no ball by Jivesh. Again, a nice drive attempted, and there is a chance of a run out, but he comes close. It was a very close call. A single run being scored. Jivesh bowling brilliantly. Sahil on strike. He comes down the track, plays to the leg side, just a run being scored. Raj coming down the track, sweeps this chance, and it was well fielded by the fielder. A single run being scored. Jivesh to Sahil comes down the track again, and there was nicely well fielded by the fielder Rishikesh. After 2 overs, the score has moved to 12 runs. Then Aniket Levin needs some more magics to happen. 12 runs. More 30. Over to bowl by Dipesh. Cow, that's a nice shot, but just for a single run. Dipesh bowls, that's a chance. Oh, he's box out. This is single ball. With his ball, can he bat? Dipesh to Bautish. It's a good dot ball. Nicely bowled by Dipesh. Covers been asked by the bowler from the batsman. Dipesh to Bautish. A brilliant ball and nicely placed for a single run. They need single won't do anything for Aniket Levin. They need boundaries. They have to score deeply with boundaries. Back-to-back boundaries. Can Sahil do for his team? Dipesh to Sahil. It's a no ball, and there is a very good field by Sanjay. It was nicely placed by Sahil to the gap between Sanjay and the other fielder, but well fielded by the captain Sanjay. After 2 overs, 3 balls, the score has moved 4 balls. The score has moved to 16 runs. Oh, he misses the ball. Batsman misses the ball. No run being scored. It's a dot ball. Last ball of the third over. Dipesh to Bodhish. Oh, there is a chance of a catch, but falls between the fielders. After 3 overs, the score has moved to 16 runs. They need more.
चेक. यानंतर या सामन्यानंतर सहार पोलीस स्टेशन विरुद्ध सीपी लेजेंड्स या सामना या मैदानावर खेळला जाईल. सहार पोलीस स्टेशनचे सर्व अधिकारी त्याचबरोबर कर्मचारी यांच्या विरुद्ध सहार सीपी लेजेंड्स यांच्या विरुद्ध सामना रंगणार है. इसके अगले वाला मैच सहार पुलिस स्टेशन के स्टाफ, उनके ऑफिसर वर्सेस सीपी लेजेंड इनके सामने होने वाला है.
That's a good shot, but no run being scored. Nicely bowled by the bowler. He comes down the track and that's a good shot. This has been coming very late. Boundaries for Aniket 11. Avinash the bowler comes down the track again. That's another tap shot, another boundary. This was to happen earlier in the overs. This is coming at a very last stage, but more impactful. It's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. The batsman can't come front before the release. He comes down the track. He shows again his class. Another boundary being scored. Again on the gap. This was to happen earlier in the earlier overs. This is coming very late for his team, Aniket 11. But some fighting spirit being shown by Sahil as he was himself standing from the first ball. He comes down the track, then it's a boundary. After the first match has been won.
आमचा पहिला सामनावीर संजय, जोरदार टाळ्यांच्या गजरात त्याचं स्वागत झालं पाहिजे. मी विनंती करतो आमचे वरिष्ठ पोलीस निरीक्षक श्री मनोज चाळके सरांना की त्यांनी सामनावीरची ट्रॉफी देऊन त्याचं स्वागत व सत्कार करायचा आहे. चंद्रू डिटेल्स, स्कोर, बॉलिंग, चंद्रू डिटेल. संजय, पहिला सामनावीर पुरस्कार.
चांगला वाटला सामनावीर पुरस्कार भेटला म्हणून, पण त्यापेक्षा इम्पॉर्टंट हे होतं की आम्ही मॅच जिंकलो.
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद.